Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Below is a tutorial on how to insert text or HTML into a specific DOM element using Python with Selenium WebDriver. Install Python. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can download it from python.org. Install Selenium. Install the Selenium WebDriver library using pip. Download WebDriver. Download the WebDriver for your preferred browser, example Chrome driver for Chrome, and ensure it's in your system's path. Import libraries. Create WebDriver. Navigate to a web page. Find the target element. Insert text. Insert HTML using JavaScript. Perform other actions, optional. Close the browser. This example demonstrates how to insert text or HTML into a specific DOM element using Selenium WebDriver with Python. Customize it based on your specific use case and the structure of the web page you are working with. ChatGPT.